Hello everybody, my name is Roman Salagov. I'm Business Development Manager of RCD Hotels for Eastern Northern Europe and for Central Asia. Today we're gonna check our amazing Hard Rock Hotel Cancun, which is located just in 20 minutes from Cancun Airport. Now we're gonna check our main lobby. I'd like to add that we have another lobby for groups, so we separate these clients. Of course, it's quite unique and stylish due to musical instruments and personal belongings of different musicians. Here we have a VIP zone and also another zone for clients who book basic rooms. Right here you can make reservation of any excursion or spa treatment or golf and so on. And also you can book a table for a dinner in one of the restaurants of our hotel. And this is our amazing Smash bar. In the evening you may find here a lot of people. It opens at 11 a.m. so please try any cocktail, drink, beer and so on. Also we have a huge variety of tequila. You're in Mexico, so don't forget about it. Also we have a special program, it's called Jigger Shaker. It's a special cocktails crafted by our bartenders. Now let's find out what this hotel offers for the lunch. We are in Frida restaurant, which is serving traditional Mexican cuisine in a festive atmosphere. Our buffet offers regional specialties paired with tasty margaritas, tequila and mezcal, of course. Also, it's very important to mention that in all our restaurants, and it doesn't matter if we are talking about breakfast, lunch or dinner, we offer positions for vegans and vegetarians, gluten-free, without lactose, so please check the signs or ask our staff for assistance. Also, we have Asian restaurants, Italian cuisine, and my personal recommendation, Steakhouse Ipanema. Please try it, it's amazing. Now we are leaving the main building and let's check what we have outside. Here we have Rock City Kids Club for little rock stars. It's very important to mention that kids up to 4 years old have complimentary accommodation and also children up to 13 years old have special rates during this year and 2023. This is our main pool with two bars at different ends. And now we are going to the beach. Just look at this stunning white sand and really crazy watercolor. This is Cancun. This is a unique place, unique vacation. Our beach area is divided in two parts. This one for VIP clients who make reservation of Rock Royalty level and Rockstar Suite, and on the other side of the beach, the section for clients who make reservation of basic rooms. Waiter service are available to all guests at no extra charge, and also Bali bed rental for an additional fee. Now let's check our posh beauty salon. Enjoy never-ending service from our professional and well-trained staff, and as I say, they will take your style to the next level of rock and roll glamour. This posh beauty salon is open till 7 p.m. and also near we have our Rock Spa. It's a spa center, and it's very important to mention that in Rock Spa we provide 50% discount for all European clients, and this offer is available till the end of 2022, so don't miss this opportunity. Now we will quickly return to the main building and I'd like to show you one of our basic room, Deluxe Ocean View. All our basic rooms have 40 square meters. Here you may see a mirror, two sinks, a private bath with shower. Also in all rooms we have double hydrospa tube. This room category has modification double beds, but also we have one king size bed, so please pay attention at the moment of the reservation. We have balconies with amazing view, Nespresso coffee machine with capsules, mini bar with soda, bottled water, juice, domestic beer, and of course 24-hour room service without extra charge, and Wi-Fi on the whole territory of the hotel. Also for travel agents we have an incentive loyalty program, it's called Vivant Rewards by RCD Hotel Europe, and when you make a reservation of our hotels through any European tour operator or DMC company, you can get complimentary accommodation and monetary reward. Please remember about it. Well guys, it was a short tour of Hard Rock Hotel Cancun with Roman Salagov. I'm Business Development Manager of RCD Hotels for Eastern Northern Europe and Central Asia. Thank you for your time.